Want to write PowerShell scripts that work on both Windows and Linux? In this video, I'll show you how PowerShell 7 makes that possible, and how to detect which OS you're running all in one script. PowerShell 5 was Windows only, but PowerShell 7 is cross-platform, working on Windows, Linux, and even Mac OS. Let's set it up on Debian 12 using snap and compare commands between both systems. We use snap to install PowerShell 7. It's simple and supported by Microsoft. Once installed, just run pwsh. Let's write a script that detects the OS and runs appropriate commands for each. Open your favorite editor. We start with OS detection. PowerShell 7 includes automatic variables like $Linux and $Windows. They return true if the current system matches. If we're on Linux, we use uname, a native Linux command, to print system details. On Windows, we use Get-ComputerInfo, which is a built-in PowerShell complet, and we select just the OS name and version to keep the output clean. Next, we define a variable called $path. Here's a smart trick. We set the path differently depending on the operating system. On Linux, we use /etc/password, a common file that should always exist. On Windows, we point to C:\temp, the most important catalog of them all. This kind of logic makes your scripts cross-platform and resilient. Now we use testpath, a PowerShell complet that checks if a file or folder exists. It works seamlessly on both platforms. If the path exists, we print a success message. If not, we let the user know it wasn't found. This is great for writing scripts that check config files, system folders, or logs across different systems. First, PowerShell 7 allows you to use one script across multiple platforms, Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Second, by using built-in variables like $Linux and portable commands like testpath, you can write smarter, cleaner, and more adaptive scripts. Finally, native commands like uname or Get-ComputerInfo can still be included when you want OS-specific output, but wrap them with checks so they only run where they're supposed to. If you want more PowerShell 7 scripting tips, subscribe to the channel. The full script is linked below so you can try it out on your own systems.